Coffee Minutes Podcast episode, Coffee Around the World, a quick taste tour. Hello coffee adventurers. Welcome back to Coffee Minutes. I'm Ginny, and today, we're packing our virtual bags for a global coffee tour. We're going to explore the fascinating and diverse coffee cultures that make our favorite beverage so unique. From the bustling cafes of Italy to the traditional ceremonies of Ethiopia, let's discover how coffee is enjoyed around the world. Grab your passport mug, and let's get started. The world as a coffee cup. Coffee isn't just a drink, it's a cultural experience. Each country has its own rituals, traditions, and brewing methods that reflect its history and values. This global perspective not only enriches our understanding of coffee but also connects us to people and places across the globe. So, let's take a look at a few highlights. Ethiopia at the birthplace of coffee. Let's start in Ethiopia, the birthplace of coffee. Here, coffee is more than just a beverage, it's a ceremonial experience. The traditional coffee ceremony, or jebina, involves roasting green coffee beans over charcoal, grinding them by hand, and brewing them in a clay pot. It's a multi-step process that symbolizes hospitality and community. The coffee is served in small cups, and it's customary to have 3 rounds, each with its own meaning. Italy at the art of espresso. Next, we're off to Italy, the land of espresso. In Italy, coffee is a quick, ritualistic experience. Espresso is the heart of Italian coffee culture, served in small cups and enjoyed standing at the bar. Italians have specific rules about when and how to drink their coffee. Cappuccinos are for the morning, and espresso is enjoyed throughout the day. It's a fast-paced, vibrant coffee culture that reflects the energy of Italian life. Vietnam at the sweet strong brew. Now, let's travel to Vietnam, where coffee is strong, sweet, and unique. Vietnamese coffee is typically brewed using a fin, a small metal filter that sits on top of a glass. The coffee is slow dripped, and it's often served with sweetened condensed milk, creating a rich, creamy, and intensely flavorful drink. It's a testament to the country's resourcefulness and love for robust flavors. Practical tips. Cultural appreciation. Exploring these coffee cultures is about more than just tasting different brews. It's about appreciating the stories and traditions behind them. When you try a new coffee, take a moment to learn about its origins and brewing methods. This can deepen your appreciation and enhance your coffee experience. You can even try to recreate some of these brewing methods at home for a global coffee adventure. And that concludes our quick coffee tour around the world. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. Remember, coffee is a universal language that brings people together. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a fellow coffee lover. What's your favorite international coffee experience? Let us know in the comments below. To continue your coffee journey, check out my collection of coffee-related books on Amazon. You'll find a list of resources in the description below, covering topics from brewing techniques to global coffee cultures and more. And if you'd like to support the show, head over to my Ko-Fi page. Your contributions help keep Coffee Minutes brewing. Links are below. Thanks for tuning in. Stay caffeinated, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.